tawag dito, malaki ang, kumbaga, tama sa'yo, ha? Impact eh. Okay. Sa pageant na ito, kung ano yung, like for example, ikaw ay nakarelay sa ganito, sa ganyan, ano yung talagang nakuha yung attention mo dito sa pageant na ito? Or binigyan mo ng pagpapahalaga din sa pageant na ito?
Ang aking pagngiti, dahil ito ay nangungulugan na
Nagandahan.
napapasaya ko ang mga tao kahit na ako'y
Nakasimangot.
tao lamang.
Ah!
Yan lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. That is candidate number 6. Make way for candidate number 7. Okay, candidate number 7. Kamusta ka?
Ayos lang.
Yun na yun eh. O sige, anong gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga kurado?
First of all, good evening, judges.
You're representing
Purok 5.
Purok 5. Where is Purok 5? Lux. Okay. Bumunot ka na. The question is, if you will be the Miss Karan 2011, what will you do then? Again, if you will be the Miss Karan 2011, what will you do then? Your answer now.
Thank you for that question. Kung magiging Miss Kanan po ako ngayong gabi, magiging
Masaya.
So all the people here or the audience, hindi po dapat tayo sumigaw o magbigay ng palakpak sa ating mga kandidata habang ang mga kandidata ay nakatayo sa entablado, nakasama ko at tinatanong ko. Mahirap po para sa isang kandidata ang tumayo sa entablado at sagutin ang mga tanong na nakaharap kayo. So please, para hindi po madagdagan ang kanilang kaba sa kanilang pagsagot sa mga katanungan, maaari po lamang na patapusin natin sila sa kanilang sagot bago tayo humiyaw, sumigaw o pumalakpak. Maraming salamat po.
Kung magiging Miss Kanan po ako ngayong gabi, tatanawin ko po itong isang malaking karangalan sa aking pamilya at sa ating barangay. Tutulungan ko rin po ang bawat isa sa atin na makatulong dito sa barangay natin upang lalong mapaunlad, sumigla, sumaya ang ating barangay sa susunod pang mga taon. Salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 7. Siyempre, isa na lang ito. Okay, candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, how do you feel right now?
Quite nervous.
Quite nervous. Okay, inhale. Then exhale. Okay, you're representing
Purok 3.
Purok 3. Nasa naman taga Purok 3? Bigay todo, ha? Okay. May kasama ka?
Yes, my family and friends.
Your family and friends. Okay. May nais ka sabihin sa ating mga kagalang-galang na hurado?
Good evening and thank you for salamat po sa pagdaloma at sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung night.
Yes. Enjoy na enjoy ko nga eh. Okay, your question. Why is education is important for you? Again, why is education is important for you?
Una po sa lahat, I would like to thank you for good evening and thank you for that question. Para sa akin, mahalaga ang edukasyon para sa buhay ng isang tao dahil ito lamang ang mapapamana ng ating mga magulang para sa atin. Lahat tayo ay may karapatang mag-aral para matuto at magkaroon ng sariling lakas para harapin ang ating kinabukasan. Dapat lang natin ipagpatuloy at gawing maayos ang ating buhay para ang ating kinabukasan ay maging maayos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
There you have it, people. Once again, the candidates and everything else competition, let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, it's to serenade our candidates. May I call on Mr. Ronald F. Benitez. Palakpakan po natin.
Hi, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Itong kantang po to ay para sa mga kandidata ng Barangay Kanan. No one's ever saw me like you do. Things that I could add up to. I never knew just what a smile was worth, but your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You made me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. If I could freeze a moment in my mind, be the second that you touch your lips to mine. I'd like to stop the clock, make time stand still. 'Cause baby, this is just the way I always wanna feel. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You made me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. All I know is it happens every time. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You made me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. The way you look at me. Thank you po.